Hey there, this is Vanessa DeBurle, and we're learning two things today. I'm going to show you how to create a clickable image for your Facebook post, and it doesn't have to be for network marketing or anything like that. This is for anybody. Do you see those posts where people have a picture and then you click it and it takes you to their site or it takes you to a video? And if you just post on Facebook, if you bring in that link, we'll go through that today, but I'm going to show you how you can put your own picture there and make it link. And the other thing that you're learning today is this is how you can do a video when your internet is really, really slow. So what I did is I captured all the pages and put them into a PowerPoint, because if I made you wait for everything, we would have been here forever. So internet is slow today. It's cold outside. Doesn't feel like working for me. So doesn't stop me though. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is what I'm talking about. When you start out with a video, I went and found a recipe. Okay, this is a carrot cupcakes. And usually you take the link and you put it on your Facebook post. And then when you hit enter, typically a picture will pop up from the post. Sometimes nothing will pop up. And then you'll just get this bland thing showing that it goes to another site, and your post may look something like this, where you still have the link showing. And that's the part that I'm showing you to get rid of. There is a program that I use. It's called Facebook Linker, and this is what it looks like. You just type in facebooklinker.com. There is a free site, a free program, or you can pay $3 a month. I paid the $9, and that's why I get this. And I'm going to show you what it does. What I did right here where it says your link, I put the recipe link there, and then I just gave it a title and a description. And then I browsed and used, maybe I could use a picture of my cupcakes after I've made them. Let's say I want to do that. And then I can select whether or not I want to put a play button on the top of the picture, so people know visually, hey, if I click this, it's going to take me somewhere. This is a way that you can put your videos on here too. But I also wanted people to see that, hey, you can use this for anything. So maybe you have a cute video of one of your kids playing, but maybe you couldn't really capture a good picture to put on Facebook. So you could put their video behind that picture of them that you want to capture and get everybody's attention, and then they click it and they can see the video of them doing whatever they're doing. So this is what happens after you put all that in. You go ahead and hit submit, and this here comes up. Now look up here at the top. It says share on your Facebook. You can share this on Twitter. You can share it on Pinterest, any place you want. Now, the neat thing about Facebook, I want to click it one more time, you can hit that drop down arrow and you can share it on your private page, any of your groups. You can share it on your business page. So lots of choices. And then once you share it, now I'm going to take you back to my Facebook page. I went ahead and submitted this, and it did go directly to my Facebook page. And there it is. And this is what the post looks like. Okay. Now, when I click this, it should take me right to the recipe. And here it comes. That's the only part I did live for you, because I wanted you to see how it goes to the recipe. The recipe is up in my the URL. It's just taking a minute to get here. But check it out. It's really cool. It makes your Facebook posts, it just gives you some more options. You don't have to pay for the upgrade. You can do a lot without it. But with the upgrade, it gave you those little, the little play button, where you don't get that on the other one. All right, I don't think we're going to, it's not going to do it. Let me try to bring this down. I want to show you where the address did come in. Let me at least show you that. Anyway, hopefully you learned something new. There it is. You can see it. It's being a little bit slow today, like I said, but there you can see that link came up right there, and it's just loading, and I did not expect anything faster than what you got. All right, so there's the name of the program, www.facebooklinker.com. So hopefully you can use that and have fun with it. Use it for your business, for your pleasure, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll share some more cool things for you. All right, until our next video, I'll see you.